Hi, I'm John Paul Flame, and today I'll be showing you this two-story house and lot located in exclusive subdivision in Northcrest, Cabantian, Davao City. This property has a lot area of 478 square meters and roughly 500 square meters in floor area. Tara, let's check the property. So, as to the facade of this house, you have a curved-shaped facade and you have your gardening here, greening area in front of your property, and you have your gate here for your cars that leads you to your carport, and you have your pedestrian gate here that will lead you to the main entrance of the house. Tara, let's check. Pagsulod nimo on my left side na asya garden area diri, ug pwede pud ka magbutang og small na table and chair nga pwede nimo tambayan for morning or afternoon coffee session. On my right side, you have your car garage here that can accommodate at least two vehicles. The good thing about this one is na siya included na cabinets kung asa pwede nimo siya buhat ng storage space for your stuff. Now, on this area na atay access going to the maid's quarter with its own toilet and bath, and also to the back of the property, and you also have your stairs here that will lead you to the room on the second floor nga ipakita nako sa inyo ha later. Okay? But karon ipakita sa nako sa inyo ha ang sulod sa kaninga property. Tara, let's check. As you enter the main door of this property, naakay entryway diri nga kung asa pwede nimo ibutang imong mga shoes or magsuot yung mga shoes nimo diri nga side. So you have your solid wooden door here as your main door for this house, and that will lead you to a small foyer on this property na ay duha ka buok nga chair nga pwede ka magtambay before ka magsulod, no? Also, I want to highlight on this area that it is a double ceiling height, no, na living space, taas kaayo, and you have a good accent chandelier sa taas, and there is a lot of ventilation, no, light and air ventilation in this area. So dili siya iga o dili siya dulong. As we proceed sa living area nato, you have your sofa here, appeal na siya upon turnover, and you have your television here, pwede na ibutang, and you have your TV console here, and the cabinets and the shelves are already included. So you have your door here. This is a sliding door that will lead you to the back of the property nga garden nimo. And on this side, you have your theater room here, the first room on the ground floor. This can be converted also as a bedroom, no? It depends on the use nga gusto niyo buhaton. So the sofa are already included on all the corners of this room na ana po siya speakers, no? The cabinets are included, even the television na po siya karaoke bar, no? Na po siya song list if you want to sing here, kung gusto mo mag-video, okay? And on this side, akbang sa first room sa ground floor, you have your common na CR diri sa ground floor, and pwede siya magamit sa mga guest nimo or kung kinsa man ang visitor nimo sa imong house. And you have your second room on the ground floor, which can be a guest room or pwede gamiton sa mga elderly nga mga members of your family. So the wardrobe cabinets are included on this area, including that one. And the good thing about this room, ka-included na ang iyang ensuite na bathroom diri sa ground floor. Adjacent to your living area is your kitchen area. The good thing about this is na siya division, no? So direct ang view from living area that leads you to your dining area. So there is a termination. Also on your dining area, you have a sliding door here, no, that gives a lot of ventilation in the area, and it has 8-seater dining table on this side, and adjacent to it is your kitchen area. So you have your island counter here, made of granite countertop. Also the cabinetry included na siya. You have your microwave here, and the cabinets, pagbukas nimo na siya appeal nga mga organizers, no? So you have a lot of cabinets, no, na sudlanan sa imuhang mga plato, mga pinggan, or any mga kitchen nimo nga mga materials. So here you have your granite counter, also the base and overhead cabinets, 2-burner cooktop already included, also the exhaust for your kitchen already included. Good design na cabinets, no. You have a huge sink here, no, na magamit, and also the double door fridge is already included. Now, this one sa kaning area is your lanay. This is a covered area diri sa likod sa property, and you have a lot of space here na pwede nimo tambayan, no, every afternoon or every morning. So naapod siya murag fountain diri ang side, and on this side you have your kitchen area or dirty kitchen area. So the burner cooktop already included, cabinets are already included, the cabinetry are already included. So if magluto mo og kanang stinking nga mga food, you can cook here outside. That's for the ground floor of this property, and I'm excited to show you the second floor of this house. Tara, let's check. Pagsaka nimo sa second floor, you have your solid wood planks here, and also you have your wood railings and a good design for your wall accent on this side. Here, you have a family area, huge family area that pwede nimo butangan og sofa again, and you have your cabinets here and a space provision for television. And here you have your wall accent here na pwede nimo butangan og imuhang mga decoration stuff. Let's head on to the 3 rooms on the second floor. Tara, let's check. As you enter in the first room here on the second floor, you have your solid wood door here, and also you have your wardrobe cabinet, no, 6-door wardrobe cabinet. Tapos naa na pod siya pull-out cabinet, no? And also you have your vanity area here, and it leads you to the balcony on the second floor. So tanang rooms diri sa second floor na ay balcony and na ay toilet and bath. Tan-awon na to later. So you have a good view here of the green spaces, no, sa kaning room. And here you have your beds here. Pwede mo kabutang og duha ka single bed or duha ka double bed. And ventilation, taas gihapon, no, ang imuhang
Sliding window.
diri no. So this is a glass
Window.
that gives a lot of natural light on this room. And it has its own toilet and bath also. Let's head on to the second room on the second floor. So pag sulod nimo, you have also your wooden door here, solid wood door, and you have your toilet and bath on my right side. Also, you have your study area or your vanity area. It has a lot of space, maka-accommodate gihapon siya og duha ka double bed, and here akbang niya is your wardrobe cabinet. This room also comes with its own balcony. And look at the view sa imuhang balcony. So every time you wake up or every afternoon magtambay mo, you have this beautiful view. I know that you are very excited to see the master bedroom of this house. And now, let's have a look at it. So this is your master bedroom. You have your queen size bed here. No, it's very spacious. It is made of wood. Ang iyang salog, no, kay made of wood siya. You have also your side cabinets here, and you have your accent light sa likod sa imong bed, and naa siya wall accent as your headboard. You also have your wardrobe cabinet here sa kaning area, and you have your vanity area and this side, and kaninga side is the study area along with the television na akbang sa imong bed. Tara, let's check the walk-in closet of this property. So here is your walk-in closet, no? Dako ang imong walk-in closet. So it comes with a full-size mirror na sliding door, and pwede nato gihapon siya buhaton na cabinet at the same time. So for your stuff, there's a lot of cabinets na pwede nyo gamiton. And as for your bathroom, you have plenty of space for your master's toilet and bath. So it comes with a sink here. You have your glass enclosure for your shower, and also a lot of space where you can use as your toilet and bath. And ang kagwapo sa second floor is that you have a sliding door here on this side, and also a sliding door on this side that will lead you to the balcony on this room. And through ang kaninga balcony, you have a two side of this nga naay access sa balcony. So sa atubangan na diri ay access, ug naa sa gilid na gyapon siya access. So from end to end naa kay balcony, and also half of the house kay naay balcony that has an access to the master's bedroom. One of the highlights also of this balcony is that you have a good view of Davao City. So kung makita nimo, you can see the buildings sa Davao City, even the night lights, makita nimo siya. One of the highlights also of this property is the second floor. Sa taas sa imuhang car garage siya ganina, and you have a lot of space here for your living area, or pwede nimo tambayan every afternoon seeing the good view of the Davao City skyline. So you have your own sink here on this side, naapod siya sarili nga toilet and bath niya. And look at the space there as a second floor. Also look at the view that you will be having if you're going to own this home. Now it comes also with a working area. It can be convertible sa as a room or it can be a workspace if you have some work to do. And it has a door access going to your spiral stairs pababa sa imuhang ground floor. If you want to view this property, you can contact us. This is John Paul Flame with DVO Realty. See you!